Kenen nalle tää on? Tää on mun nalle. Welcome to another question word video. We've already gone over the question word kuka, and now we'll be going over the question word kenen. 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 Another form of kuka is kenen. Kenen, which is why I mentioned kuka. Kenen. For those of you who like details, it is specifically the genitive singular form of kuka. The genitive singular form. Genitiivi. Kuka. Okay, so kenen. Kenen. So kenen translates to whose. Whose in English. Whose. Kenen. 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 So what that means is that kenen is asking about the possession of some sort of item in general. So, for example, in a few sample sentences, we could ask, kenen koira tuo on? Kenen koira tuo on? Kenen, whose, koira, dog, tuo, that, on, is. Or in puhekieli, it would be kenen koira toi on? Kenen koira toi on? Kenen koira toi on? Whose dog is that? You could similarly ask, kenen, hold on, prop. Kenen kynä tämä on? Beagle pen, of course. Beagle-kynä, tietenkin. Kenen kynä tämä on? Kenen kynä tämä on? Whose pen is this? Tämä is this. Kenen kynä tämä on? Or in puhekieli, you would say, kenen kynä tää on? So tämä turns into tää. Kenen kynä tää on? Kenen kynä tää on? Kenen kynä tää on? You could also use it in a sentence such as, kenen paita on hienoin? Kenen paita? Whose shirt? Paita is shirt. Kenen paita on is hienoin, the nicest. Whose shirt is the nicest? Kenen paita on hienoin? Hienoin. Kenen paita, whose shirt on hienoin, is the nicest. Kenen paita on hienoin? Kenen paita on hienoin? No tietenkin mun paita on hienoin. Of course, my shirt is the nicest, for example. So that is the basic way to use the question word kenen or whose. Kenen. Kenen. And I guess that just about concludes this video. So till next time.